Preparation of the data records by the LDB and reading of the data records in the actual report are accomplished with the command pair put and get.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
If you want to improve the response time to access data logical database parameters you to achieve this using views.
Sir, sorry, I don't know the answer of this question.
Though all the ABAP4 dictionary structures that exist in the structure of the LDB being defined in database program, we are defining the dictionary structures in the report. What is the reason for such declaration?
By declaring so, we are providing work areas for data passing between logical database and report. In addition, the logical database configures the selection screen depending on the selection of database tables.
The three main elements of LDB are structure, selections, and database program.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
Logical databases are programs that read data from database tables, dictionary structures.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
Nodes in the structure of LDB needs not be defined in the ABAP4 dictionary true or false.
False. One has to define all nodes in the dictionary, or one has to select all nodes that are defined in the dictionary.
In sense of database management system, DBMS logical database is a database structure true or false.
False.
A report program which uses only select statements is called SQL report.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
One can use the event get in a report without LDB attribute true or false.
False.
What happens if a report does not contain a get statement for a particular node of a logical database?
Process will transfer to the next event.
Consider a report with F1 as attribute. What will be the output of the following code? Whether you will get the data from SBook or not with corresponding tables statement.
Sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
With LDB, one can modify the pre-generated selection screen to their needs, true or false.
True.
Is there any upper limit max to the possible number of nodes in a logical database structure? If so, what is the limit?
Yes, there is an upper limit for defining number of nodes in a logical database structure. Maximum nodes equal to 1200 byte length, where length equal to max length of name in the structure.
Is it mandatory to declare all the tables in a report by the keyword tables for all the tables that exist in the structure of LDB and are being defined in the database part of LDB?
No, it is not mandatory to declare all tables in report.
In LDB, what determines hierarchy of the table?
Structure.
The event get table name let process all tables that are hierarchically superior to the table name true or false.
It process all tables that are hierarchically inferior to the table name.
Apart from the structure and selection of the LDB, the get statements in the report determines the behavior of the database at runtime.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
It is not possible to use ABAP4 dictionary structures without an underlying database using LDB true or false.
True, one can use additionally related table along with the table defined in the structure of LDB.
It is not necessary to maintain the parent-child relationship between the tables in a logical database structure true or false.
False, one has to maintain the parent-child relationship.
One cannot use select statements in a report program linked to a logical database. True or false?
False.
The last character of the LDB Name denotes application.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
In a logical database, one can define input fields on the selection screen with selection options and parameter statements.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
The layout of the database program is determined by the both structure and selections.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
Identify any errors in the following code and correct the same, and what will be the output if there exists corresponding table statement for split as book.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
In the structure of logical database, nodes at different levels are displayed in the same columns, true or false. If false, what types of nodes are displayed in the same columns? If true, what types of nodes are not displayed in the same columns?
False. Nodes at same levels are displayed in the same columns.
If one wants to access data using logical database, the use of the events is unavoidable. True or false?
It's true.
In general, what are the two ways in which one can retrieve data from tables?
Using select statements database program.
The database program of LDB is a collection of subroutines which selects data and passes it to the report.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
The order in which data is made available to the report depends on the structure of the LDB.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question. I'm unable to give the answer of this question.
Dynamic selection allows the user to define further selections for database access in the addition to the selection criteria already defined in the LDB selections.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
Is it possible to extract data from tables without using the event get in the report with a appropriate LDB? True or false?
False. One can extract data from tables using select statements in a report, though the report is having a LDB attribute.
Is it true that the logical database reads the data from the database tables using selection statements? True or false?
Yes, we are coding that in database part of LDB.
The structure of logical databases reflects the foreign key dependencies of hierarchical table in the SAP system.
Sir, sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
There can be more than one nodes at the highest level in the structure. True or false?
False. One can define only one node at the highest level in the structure of LDB.
Suppose a logical database program contains the following lines. Select options con ID for split con ID parameters car ID like sflight car ID for the table sflight. What will be the output for the above two statements?
Only select option con ID for S flee carried will be displayed on the screen.
Does the following two statements do the same task? If so, which one takes less time and which one is recommended?
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What are the advantages of the logical databases?
It offers an easy to use selection screen. You can modify the pre-generated selection screen to your needs. It offers check function to check whether user input is complete, correct and plausible. It offers reasonable date selections. It contains central authorization checks for database access. Enhancements such as improved performance immediately apply to all report programs that use the logical database.
Check statement can be used along with the event get in the report for checking the selections which are not table specific values.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer of this question, sir.
What sorts of table one can say in designing the hierarchy of a LDB?
Tables which are having foreign key relations.
Code with an LDB attribute, you do not have to define how the information should be retrieved from the database tables, but only how the data should be represented on the screen, true or false.
True.
It is mandatory that for each table in the LDB hierarchy, there should exist one get statement in the report, true or false.
False. It is not necessary.
Consider a report with F1 as attribute. What will be the output for the following code, whether you will get the data from flee and flight or not, with corresponding table statement.
Sir, I don't know the answer of this question.